Hey, to apply camera protector on your iPhone 16 Plus, then all you have to do is just to simply zoom in into your lenses. You will have to, I'm gonna zoom in just to show you how it looks, and you will have to actually prepare a good source of light, so you will be able to see all of this mess that you have right here, because we have to actually clean this. So we don't have, we actually cannot leave here some kind of the, fingerprints or pieces of the dust. So when you receive this protection, you will probably also receive these two wipes, the wet one and the dry one. And you will have to start by cleaning your lenses with the wet one. And right now, when you're finished, you will have to grab the dry one. And basically you will have to do the same, so just clean them. Now, if you still have some kind of the marks right here, you can even use this microfiber cloth. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I still have some kind of the greasy marks or something like this. And now when everything is fine with your both lenses, you can take a look like that. You will have to grab this protector, remove it. There we go. And now you will have to actually put it like this into your lenses. There we go. And now slide all around, just to let them stick into your lenses and into your bumper, the camera bumper. There we go. And right now it is finished. So that will be all. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe to my channel.